Hello, welcome to SecureO Intelligence. I want to immerse you on cybersecurity. In 2021, more than 200,000 organizations got hacked and bear business losses. Cybersecurity is really important for every organization. Without a cybersecurity program, your organization cannot defend itself against cyber attacks, data breach campaigns, which makes it an irresistible target for hackers. We provide the services your business needs. We have helped over 200 companies to effectively manage information security risk and cyber threats. We work as a logical extension of your team, simplifying the complexities of security and compliance. We keep your organization safe in 5 steps: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. To protect your organization, the first step involves accounting for all the organization's assets, including personnel, systems, machines, users, endpoint devices, networks, and both stored and transmitted data. So, are you ready to secure your infrastructure? Please allow us to show you how a hacker can exploit into your infrastructure. Thank you for your valuable time. Stay safe and secure.